Alright, this is where the sat nav is taking me. It looks a bit narrow if you ask me. It's going rapid! This doesn't look like a place where you do fridge. For some reason I ended up in this place, so this definitely doesn't look like. To be honest, I think it'd be easier for me if I just get in there. The safety option is always the best option. Okay, oops. To change the settings, it's that easy. Jesus, like, look how tight that corner is. Believe it or not, today's gonna be a good day, I can feel it. Let's go and do the checks, have everything ready to go, and we're gonna hit the road. We got a good collection to do. Right now, I'm just completing my checks, doing everything, and then I'm gonna get on the road. Yeah. Lights, more tires. I'm still wearing flip-flops because I was brushing my teeth as well. So I'm gonna get on this truck and get out, go and do what I have to do. Obviously, putting my shoes on. All right, guys, got a quick one. So basically, today's video has been sponsored by White Food. You can have it any time of the day. It comes in many different flavors. They can be kept outside. Shell long life. So I highly recommend it. I really like it, and I don't need to go for the force of going to the services while I could be doing something more. It's as well good enough when you stop somewhere and you haven't got the time wrong, or you like, let's say you're stuck in the services and then you haven't got any food, but you got this. Even if it's in your fridge or it's outside your fridge, you still got a full meal there. Like I said before, it's not the only flavor. That's the banana, you got the classic chocolate, you got the cold brew coffee. If you like coffee, highly recommend it as well. Smoothie vanilla, absolutely marvelous, the best one. I will leave you a discount link in here so you can go and have a look at it and get it for cheaper. Go, my guys, go and have a look at it. Yeah, I seen you notice the sign there already. Boop. Yeah, whoever this truck is, it was clean when I got in, and that looks pretty good as well. All right, this is where the sat nav is taking me. It looks a bit narrow if you ask me. Hopefully it's not down that way. Okay, I think this is the place where we have to go. We can see the tires marked on the floor. We can see that we can go in there. Obviously, we have to go that way, and we're probably gonna have to ask the people there where it is, because it's kind of long and don't think it's a place to turn around there. We'll find out now in a minute, so let's start heading there. Putting the bad boys on. People are looking at me weird because I got a camera on my head, but who cares? Yeah, I managed to get out. We just got on time. It's gonna take us 34 miles to get there, so we'll be there 22 past 7, which will take us some time to get there. It's not that long, to be honest. It's always mad in this road every time. N25, 10 o'clock in the morning is bad. 11 is bad, 12 is bad. It doesn't matter what time you come around there, it's always bad. Not bad, it's just the worst road, to be honest. I don't know why, but and the board there says it's an accident, so it's been an accident now, so we don't know what actually is going on. So hopefully nothing bad to anybody has happened, so just pray for them. But the good luck for me is that I'll be able to get out on 9.8 miles and go and do my drop. That is a thumbs up for me. And now I can't get out because these guys are taking a little bit too long. Go on, that's it, get in there. So I've been waiting there for a while. This traffic lights do take quite a long time to turn. All right, let's see how we do this. Slowly, steady, and we're going through. 1.8 miles away. Yeah, we should be there in the next 5 minutes. All right, we should be turning around there. It's not that one, obviously, it's this one. This is a bit tight as well, so I'm gonna have to go like around there and then come around there. So nobody come. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't even seem like suitable for HGVs, but I know it's the right way because I looked it up on the map. Oh, this guy, man. Okay, he's giving me the right way. Oh, what a legend this bloke is. So that's not bad. Thank you, pal. That's only a class 2. Oof. Come on, pal. If you carry on coming,
and then you as well, pal. There's another guy over there. What's he doing? Okay, he's giving me the right away. You see, people just being polite. We're not far away, 800 meters away. Like, we should be there in no time. Look at this, people just being polite. Thank you. Avan, man. Okay, 600 meters away, and we should be okay. This is a little road for industrial estate, is what it says there. It could be like just a warehouse up here and stuff. Gotta press your horn just in case anybody comes around. Last thing you want is an accident. I prefer to press the horn as many times, so just to let people know that you're coming as well, because they can be coming fast. Look at that. Yes, Paul, you're all right. Had to climb on the grass there, the poor guy. Definitely it's not that way. 100% it's not that way. So normally what the sat-nav does is it drops you like 700 meters away sometimes. Okay, how are we gonna do this, pal? He's going rapid. At least it was enough space for both of us to get through. I prefer to stop than something happening. Okay, this is what we saw on the sat-nav. Yes, this is the one. This doesn't look like a place where you do fridge. It looks more like curtain size place. Oh, look at that. Talking about curtain size is one there. I don't know where I'm going from here, so I think the best thing to do right now is talking to someone. All right. For some reason I ended up in this place, so I'm gonna have to go and find out where I am and then have another look at the map. Somebody will know and direct me in the right direction, so waste no time, let's go. This definitely doesn't look like a place where you're the curtain size. Could be all the way there. Sorry, Paul. You?
Abby, that's down the bottom of the hill. First on the left, can't miss this massive nursery. Massive.
I won't miss it this time. Thank you. So nice bloke there. You just say like to go back, and it's like 100 meters away. Just went past it. So let me plan how to get out of here as well. I got plenty of space there to turn around, but I think the easiest way to do it is just getting out and going that way. Yeah. Always this thing going blip 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 blip. To be honest, I think it'd be easier for me if I just get in there. So if I get there and then just reverse into here, it'd be dead easy instead of like just taking the risk of somebody just coming around and hitting me. I think it'd be safer for me and for everybody else. I think they use this for reversing because it's a training place as well. So yeah, I'm gonna use this a little bit there. I'm gonna reverse into that, and it's just safer. Like the safety option is always the best option. Look at that, look at how much space I got in instead of just reversing there and just being in a little awkward position as well with people coming around and trucks and stuff. Because it's like trainer's call this. So this block is coming out as well, so let me get out of his way. Okay, oops. Okay, we are the door. It's a bit tight as well. I knew that this couldn't be the one, which is always good to ask, and definitely wasn't going to carry on that way. Okay, so yeah, as always, the sign-up's wrong and give us the wrong directions. We didn't end up going in any mud places. Okay, let me see, what am I gonna do with you, pal? Can you go through? Come on. Yeah. Oof. Yeah, he's all right. I swear on my mom's life I've been around there. Wow, made it here, man. I just ran the intercom, or whatever it's called, and magically the doors are getting open. It's been an exciting day already. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. Like, why would you not like this job? This is like the best job in the land, the easiest job and the best job at the same time. All right, just got all the paperwork done. I just got told the fridge needs to go on +8. So I'm just gonna go and change the settings now, and then I'll be able to get going. So let's do that. To change the settings is dead easy. All you have to do is lift that up
basically what I do now is, while I finish everything, double check that all the paperwork is fine, is correctly done, then I move forward, close the doors, and then I check it again before I leave, because I want to make sure they're still there. Because if it goes wrong, everything in the back of this is going to get damaged. Close the doors. Everything's secure, so I know everything in there is ready to go. Before I go, I just double check this, and yes, it's on temperature, so I'm happy with that. It's been more than 10 minutes and that's still. So let's go. So basically it's 200 miles from London to down Bristol, around this way, which is around like Taunton, like all down that way, down Devon. Gonna go the easiest way and the quickest as well, because I don't want to be getting into back road, just added on miles and stuff. So 200 miles to go, and let's go. Doors are opening now. Get there now. So that is what we gotta do. Just go to this place and do delivery. Oh, it's actually not 200 miles, it's 176. Okay, slow down, pal, slow down. We don't want an accident right here. Yeah, just wave. Jesus, like, look how tight that corner is. That guy just flying past that. Okay, let me just get in a position where I can see. Yeah, both sides we clear. Put the indicator a little bit late, didn't I? Yeah, yo, woo. Ooh, it's a little bit of nightmare going on there. Let me see. Okay, that guy asked us to come through. He can go through there. Okay. It's a bit tight around there for trucks be going past, like in and out and stuff. So let me see how I plan this one now. Yeah, plenty of space. Nice one, pal. Woo! Oh, Jesus. The thing is, the people come around this corner like flying past it. Okay, let me see how I do this, because I'm gonna have to take it wide. Seeing how people come around this corner before. Okay. Take it wide. See what I mean? Take it wide. It's just precaution. That's the way I look at it. It's murder going on in here. Just come out of that place. Come on, pal, get him. Always been polite. I let it pass. He let pass the old lady, and we all win. Like, oh, such a good thing when you just polite in the road instead of like having a long face, like, no, I was first, and then like cutting people off. Don't need that. Because like it just says bad things about you. Just be bloody happy. Well, we have arrived at Morrison's now, and it's been a traffic. It's been the longest time I've spent on traffic. I'm not even joking about it. Okay, so let's drop this off. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. If you haven't yet, like, comment, subscribe, for all that. Thank you for everything, guys. Cheers. I will see you in the next episode. Do not miss out. Cheers.